because of the consistent turn of events and advancement of the thoughts of the digital currency local area. The cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and reasonable arrangements that could further develop client communication with crypto. One of these activities is the Cosmos organization and its interior computerized coin Atom. Cosmos is an environment comprised of blockchains that can connect with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was disengaged and couldn't cross with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Additionally, it was challenging to accomplish high exchange speed. Be that as it may, Cosmos offers another innovative vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains function as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement, made by Kwon in 2014. Cosmos makes a biological system of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Cosmos project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the connection objectives: versatility, Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, evidence of stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. In a couple of words, Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure is a property of a framework equipped for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the issues of Byzantine commanders. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting vindictively. Adaptability is a fundamental element of any task pointed toward supporting future application improvement. Cosmos will likely build its versatility utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, understanding convention, and essential language. The POS technique depends on a bunch of semi-confided in hubs for casting a ballot by blocks. However long in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs tell the truth, the convention will work with next to no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of Atom tokens as insurance. Any hub that observes that it is acting with malevolent expectation will be erased from the framework, and its ATOMs will be scorched. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal Cosmos center. Notwithstanding, they likewise send off a full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the extension to affirm that the comparing sum has been fixed. Unique tokens are hindered in a situation with a few marks until the extension check device opens them. Likewise, it annihilates the tokens in the cross-chain. This approach permits clients to move advanced resources in various chains. Atom is a local digital money used to pay exchange expenses at the Cosmos principal focus and partake in the agreement cycle. Cosmos Value Investigation. Cosmos is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee cooperation between them. The organization works on the Tendermint Agreement calculation, and the engineers position it as a web of blockchains. On August 18th, Atom's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DEFI firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Cosmos designers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Coordination of SIFchain, a decentralized trade on Cosmos organization, with the Between Blockchain Correspondence Convention permitted to manage exchanges among Cosmos and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, Cosmos real cost, as per coinmarketcap.com, the genuine Cosmos value as of 14th of December is $21.37. Throughout the last day, the cost has expanded by 5.70%, and over the course of the week, it has fallen by 1%. Cosmos cost examination has shown that the computerized resources expense diminished by 12.5% in a month. In addition, its worth has expanded by 276% over the course of the year. Moreover, Atom has an ongoing circling supply of 226,226,028 coins. Market forecasts. There is a considerable amount of contest among projects attempting to tackle the communication issues between blockchains. Cosmos rivals incorporate new companies like Polkadot, AN, and Penta. Cosmos offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks. However, the issue of connection between blockchains is as yet significant. The answer for it will permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains, yet additionally to trade data in full. In this way, the eventual fate of the task relies upon its turn of events. It is unsafe to compose a gauge for the Atom cryptographic money. Very much like for some other computerized resource, the crypto market is excessively erratic. Be that as it may, some face challenges and voice their choices. Regardless of whether they match with the truth is another inquiry. The Atom rate will keep acquiring benefit in a question of a year. Toward the finish of 2021, it could reach nearly $30, making it 33% of likely development. Gov. Capital cost conjecture isn't more bullish than others since it predicts that the cost of Atom could reach $29. Cosmos Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The greatest level that the atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. Atom value figure for November 2022. Having broke down Cosmos costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, nonetheless, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the gauge normal of Cosmos is almost $12.29. December 2022, Cosmos value figure. Around mid-2022, the Cosmos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the atom cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Cosmos value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Cosmos will be around $18.42. The greatest expected atom cost might be around $21.08. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Cosmos Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cosmos, in 2024, Atom is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $26.03 and $32.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Cosmos Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Cosmos and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base atom cost could drop to $38.62, while its greatest can reach $45.87. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cosmos by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least atom costs are normal in 2026, $67.61 and $59.36. By and large, it will be exchanged at $60.96. Cosmos Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Cosmos. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical atom cost will be around $86.03. It could drop to at least $83.60. Yet it actually could reach $102.34 all through 2027. Cosmos Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Cosmos. It is assessed that Atom will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $116.80 and $144.03 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $120.24 during the year. Cosmos Value Expectation 2029. Digital money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Cosmos cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the most extreme atom cost of $202.08.